Hello my beautiful people, guys, I'm cooking right now. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I got some sardines and olive oil. So I have some rice. I got Japanese rice because I don't have the jasmine, so I'm gonna use that one. Only mean that I gotta add some extra water. So for me, cooking has no sign. I'm in a rush, so I just put some vegetable or herbs, uh, like a half of an onion, 4 garlic, grated with my little grated, some tomato chopped, and peppers. I like a half pepper. And we are gonna chop some cilantro, but let's go and start cooking this. I already add some oil. So I already add some oil because I'm going to stir fry a little bit before I add the other ingredients, the seasoning. Uh, Today I just put everything together. I do the garlic and onion first, but today I just put everything together because I'm in a rush. It doesn't matter. When you know how to cook, no problem, babies, no problem. I feel like I need some extra oil. Using that one. Okay, so I have some cumin, turmeric, oregano. If you don't have oregano and you have the cumin, that's gonna be good. Or if you only have oregano and not cumin, that's gonna be fine. I'm gonna use some garlic powder, maybe, because I already using fresh garlic, and paprika. Some tomato paste. Tomato paste. Okay, some turmeric, some cumin. Some oregano, paprika, garlic powder. I use lime, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna add a little bit of water now, so it doesn't stick or burn. Salt. I am ready to add the sardines. I don't have any lime, so I'm gonna use some balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna use for a salad too because since I don't have any limes, I'm ready to add the water. So one cup, 2 cups. So a little bit less than 3 cups. Not 3 cups, guys. You see, I didn't fill it up. I'm using 2 cups of Japanese rice. Some more salt to taste. Okay, I watch my rice already, guys. Just gotta pour the rice in. The cilantro. Ay, my pan is full. Okay. Oops. Slow. I found some fresh corn, guys, so okay, guys, so I'm gonna make a salad to eat it with the rice. So I have onion, tomatoes, lettuce, and cucumber, carrots, onions, because I don't have limes. salt. I am flipping the rice one more time. Guys, this is delicious. Look at that. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer. This rice takes longer to cook than the jasmine rice. And the cucumber is ready. The carrots. The rice is ready. The tomatoes. The lettuce are ready.